walk away, computer, for a minute. I just started like coughing like crazy. Sorry. Because a second ago, my throat was like getting really irritated. And I started having like this like coughing fit a second ago. And I was just like, ugh. Wow. Sorry guys, my throat has been like really, really bad. Thank you, Baby Quartz, for the bits.
I think you stopped buffering.
Oh, good. Hopefully. We'll see. Hopefully. Okay, oh, still glitching. Ah. It's so bad. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, wow. Oh, it's delayed. You guys are like, are you okay? I'm just like, yeah, I'm fine. I was just kind of having like a coughing fit a minute ago, but besides that, I'm fine. Thank you for the bits, Corpse Red.
Hey girl, glad
Hi.
you're back. I was watching some of your makeup videos earlier, and was wondering if maybe one day you can show how you put your eyeliner.
Yeah.
Like you do. I need to learn.
Aw, well, thank you. Yeah, for sure. I get a lot of you guys like ask me how to do that sometimes, so yeah, if that's something you guys want to see, then yeah. Anyways. You're gone? I don't know what to do, guys. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. Like, it doesn't fix it. Whenever I restart my internet, it literally never solves it. I don't know what to do. Like, I really just don't know what to do about it. I'm sorry. Thanks, Miss Luna Baby, for the 5 months. I don't know. It's buffering bad, I know. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm sorry. I really don't know what to do, so I'm sorry. I look very unwell. Well, I might have COVID, so we'll see. I guess I'll probably find out tomorrow, probably. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. Thanks, Pink Marie Poses, for the bits.
You're giving me Elsa vibes.
Oh, thank you. I love Elsa, so thanks. Hi, Matt. Thank you for the
Hi,
bits.
Eugenia. Sorry you're having streaming problems, but it's good
It's
to
okay.
see you anyway. Use any love.
Thanks. I was excited to stream today and all that, guys, but I really don't know what to do. It seems like it just really doesn't want to work today. So I honestly don't know what to do about it at this point. I'm kind of like, I don't know. As much as I would have liked to have streamed, guys, like, I just kind of feel like this is probably pointless. It's like, if it's just gonna glitch like this, then I probably should just like